Hi, Janice Windward here with Midnight Arts. Tonight I am going to try another ghost pour. Um, this time I'm going to do it with blues. So I have Artist Loft Brilliant Blue, Deco Art Extreme Sheen Metallic Sapphire, Sargent's Art Pale Blue, and I thought I would put a little bit of this Folk Art Color Shift Purple Flash in there, and some Extreme Sheen Silver. And this is the white base paint from trial number 12. This has a lot of bubbles in it. It's been sitting over there for quite a while, and so I shook it up pretty good before I started. Good. All right. Okay, maybe I want just a little bit more of this dark blue in there. Oh, I got a lot of, that's a lot of paint. Okay. Oh, I forgot. Lots of these paints probably do have silicone in them because they're older paints. Would like them to just kind of fade into the background, but I'm not doing that very good. It's going all the way to the edge without really fading into the background. I don't know, should I do this like again right there? It's actually kind of pretty. Things. I missed that one. that turned out really pretty. Got kind of some real wonky cells right here where I swiped it again and messed up the cells that were there and there, so I probably shouldn't have done that, but I think it turned out pretty. Put fresh tape on here so now I can't get it off. Okay. I want that camera to focus on that. I don't know if it's going to focus on it very good. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please come back and join me again soon. Please subscribe, like, and share, and most importantly, please have a great night.